Started off at 63,484. See how close we're going to be this time. 162. 4, 5, 6, 8. I'm higher than I wanted now. 169, just a tick higher than I wanted. Alright, so we know 169 is too high. 163 was a little bit more less than I wanted. Let's check what we got here. So we're 148 down. 146. We know 50 thou less than that. We were pretty close we wanted, so I'm gonna go ahead and back this off a little bit. Right there. Do a dump test here. Okay. Turn this thing back on. Motor's warm, but it ain't burning me. Too close to shut off. Some more pressure. There we go. See what shuts off this time. And lower than I want it to be is 3. Well, I'm still good. 63. I'd like to see the mid 160s. So. Alright, so we're chasing our tail right here, but we're gonna make a big adjustment. That much. Okay. So I want to see where it comes on at now. Should be low enough to go all the way down this time. 150? 45. Pretty close to what I want. Where's our lever? Lever's not staying off. Yep, need to build up more pressure before I can shut it off. Goes up to 60, 65 would be nice. 4, 5, 6, 67, 147. I can live with that. It's the on part I'm more concerned about. I don't want to be down at 130 pounds. Okay, so we're shutting off at 147. So 30-pound drop would be 137. We were coming in before that. So let's go ahead and bleed this down. With a slow bleed. See exactly where it comes on at. $54, $52, $50, $48, $46, $146, get to $145. I'm good with that. Need life. We're getting about a 20-pound spread now. 23 pound. I got that build up. I got the big tank on right now. I need to fill up the other tank right this minute. So 145 to 165, we got a 20-pound spread. why I'm trying to get to a 20-pound spread. So I could probably lower it just a tick. My overall pressure, keep in that area. I'll fine tune that thing up on top there. If I give another quarter turn back under pressure, it'll probably drop me down to 162 or so. It should fill out there pretty quickly. Yeah, it's 47 or 67, I mean. Yeah, so there you go. So we got 22-pound pressure differential, which is pretty tight spread. I like that. Alright, so I can drop that back to 160 pounds if I want to get a little bit lower. It's definitely better than 178, way better than that. So I think I'm going to give it a half a, drop the overall pressure back slightly. So go like that, quarter of a turn. Should drop me down to 160-ish area, low 60s. I think I got enough to kill it. Not quite enough to make it come on. We're 150 even. So not quite enough to give me what I need to be at. Got both tanks on right now. That's lower than it should have been. Oh no, we're just getting there. 40, about 45, right? Just half a skosh more will be 45. There it is, right there. 44 or so maybe it's coming out 43. I'll shut off at something in the low 60 area. They tell you you're not supposed to do this crap. You're not smart enough to adjust your own air compressor what you want it to do. So, I don't listen to anybody. If somebody can adjust it, I can adjust it too. 60 pounds right there. The air leaks are on. Cut the air leak off. Yeah, that didn't help us in having that on, did it? I didn't back it down as far as I thought it would. We only went down to about 66, just under 66, 65. So there you go. 142.3 to 165. 66. That's a good split. I like the numbers. I'm going to leave it there. Let it work itself to what it really wants to be at. So right now our dimension here is 1 1/8 basically. 124, 122. And the low number is basically nothing. 92. Whoa, 117. How did I get that number? $117. So now this is 0.117. Starting to get a little heat in here now. This one here was yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it was 1 1/8. Is that what it was? I forget. 1 1/8, 122. 1.122, and that's 165 psi. This one's at 42 psi. Alright, we'll see if those numbers correlate down the road. Once I find numbers I like, I'll write on this can what the hell it really is, so I know. So I can come back at any point and readjust things as needed. So there you go. There's how you adjust your air compressor to whatever you want it to be. Without using a bunch of fancy gauges. I just got a big tank back there and I'm able to bleed air off by having a big air hog right here that sucks it down quick. So there you go. So much for listening to the experts on how to do stuff. So, and like I said, right now we're at 163 right now. So we're pretty good. I'm happy. There you go. Air compressor's rebuilt and ready to go. We get some work done now. So that's how it works. We got some work to do around here. So this is the tranny case I just blasted. It's a piece of crap. The more I blasted, the worse it was getting. So let me put screws over here. That happens to be right where the number goes. The secret number. Imagine that. It's broken here. Lots of JB weld in there. Another crack through that hole there. See the hairline crack right through there. Gas material. Big JB weld spot there. See, when you put a bolt in here too deep in here, you hit the bottom of the hole. See, the hole's all smooth in there, shiny. So when you jam that into there, it busts out the top right here and it looks like a sieve all over the ground. So sometimes these 4-speed tranny leaks are not because of the design of the tranny, it's because the people don't know what they're doing. Don't put too big of a bolt in that 5th bolt. And so I'm sure there's some bolted bolt holes here that got issues too. Now that's got a helicoil in there too. I can still see the helicoil in there. It doesn't look like a helicoil. Sure looks like there's something in there. I think there's part of a helicoil in there. Real good. Well, a real good one there. So yeah, this needs to be welded here, here. Fix that hole. So probably just V the whole damn hole out and weld it up solid. This is another big leak here. See, the thread's gone from here over, so you can see where the gasket's right here, and that's broken past the gasket. See the gasket mark there, and the brake's past it? That's a built-in leak. So that needs to be all welded back up and redone. The mounting surface actually looks pretty good on this. That's a plus. And this isn't all worn in here either. It's actually good. It's a 65 tranny case, in case you didn't know. Which means it fits 65 through 76. I think that's the next case number, 76 or 77. The case race hole doesn't look too bad. The seal hole doesn't look too bad. All this stuff looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of loose chain mark there. That's a simple weld to weld that up if you want to. It's not broken through any of this, which is good. There we go. Overall, it's not too bad of a case. Top surface looks good. Yeah, I don't know why they had to break right through where the VIN number was, but you know. Weld that, do a bunch of welding down in here, and you should have a good case when you're done. That's how it goes. If you want to weld over the top of that hole right there, it won't leak oil past it. These two here you can't weld. They'll break the case out. You try to weld those up. So these two here you can weld them across the top, cap them if you want. Well, there you go. Another eBay special. So I had that already up on eBay, a special list, so now that's what it looks like after it's blasted. But there you go. That's what working on junk around here is. So, all right, well, that's it. Air compressor's working. Yeah, it's not too early to go home. We'll get some work done.